Thank you very much. I'm Dr. Frank Mugabe. I'm a Principal Medical Officer in the Ministry of Health, Department of Non-Communicable Diseases. We have had a wonderful training on working on policy briefs, and started by showing us how to formulate a policy question, a policy goal, and how to gather evidence about all of this through literature searches and understanding the difference between evidence-based and evidence-informed policies. And we proceeded through practical sessions to come up with policy briefs and all the other required details. We came to communication of the policy and how to program the communication, knowing your audience, having a clear objective, and synthesizing your audience downwards to ensure the messaging is very, very clear. We have had an opportunity to present this and critique it, and I believe that we are very good now at drafting sensitive policies that are eye-catching to policymakers and to the public. It has been a very great opportunity, and I believe with the continued mentorship, the areas we have been struggling in can be addressed. We highly appreciate this intervention. Once again, I'm Dr. Frank Mugabe.